Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Today we read and understand a comprehension paragraph. Comprehension paragraph helps kids to improve reading skill, develop thinking skills and improve vocabulary. It's very useful for kids. So let's start reading. Go ahead from here, Mirba. Comprehension. This is
BIG, big box.
my big box.
My big box.
मेरा
बड़ा बॉक्स है.
yes.
I went shopping with mom. मैं अपनी मम्मा के साथ शॉपिंग करने गया.
Very good. CAME कम की सेकंड फॉर्म है came. We came हम आए. HOME home with a big box. हम एक बड़े बॉक्स के साथ आए. घर आए. PUT
put away the shopping.
What does it mean?
हमने शॉपिंग साइड पे रख दी. The box the box was empty. बॉक्स खाली था.
Very good.
sat in
I sat in it.
box.
I sat in it.
इसका मतलब
What does it mean?
मैं उसमें बैठ गया.
Very good.
I jumped on it. मैं उस पे जंप करने लगा.
Very good. मैंने उस पर जंप किए. It fall नहीं. FALL fall होता है. It FELL fell.
It fell to
pieces. It fell to pieces. ये
वो pieces में टूट गया.
Very good.
It was
broken. It was broken. अब ये टूट गया था.
I hope we get another box.
मुझे उम्मीद है
हम लोग एक दूसरा बॉक्स लेंगे.
Very good. Now let's give the answer of this question. Sit down, Meba. I went shopping with mom. True or false?
True.
Very good. Why was the box empty? Because they put away the shopping. How was the box broken?
Because
he
jumped on it.
Very good. Because he jumped on it. This is the answer. Okay. What did he hope?
He hoped we get the other box.
Yes, he is hoping now that we get another box.
Like, subscribe and share for more. Bye bye.